Bro, you instantly lose all coup points. This dude fart can on a fucking Passat. On a Passat. Not a GTI, not a GLI, a Passat. Bro, stop it. Stop it right now. You're embarrassing yourself. This shit is a joke.
Smoke weed every day.
What's up, little dude? What's up? Cat's like, get that camera out of my face. What's up? Morning, guys.
Start.
Oof. Oof. God, I love that sound. Alright guys, you know I'm a sucker for a parts car, especially for something I own. Now granted, I don't have a Yukon, I do have a Tahoe, but this is something that would go right up my alley. Ooh, shit. The fender. This would go right up my alley, especially being, remember I said the biggest thing I wanted to do to the truck was what? That's right, leather seats. Now, that one's busted, so this might not be a good option. But then, like, the captain chairs back there still look good. They're not all ragged out. This seat right here looks good. It all depends on what they go for. That's broken. Somebody took a hard hit or something came through this windshield. This is some serious carnage for you right here. Jesus Christ. Took the mirror off and everything. Look at that. Ripped it. Look at the back. Look at the back roof. Bang. It's like, that's crazy. That's crazy. I wonder what they did. They had to roll this thing, man. Wow. Wow. Well, there's a good way to get started, huh? Next up, we have an SRT Jeep. Now, I like these things. 49,000 miles on the clock. I bet the front is just completely smashed. This is on my list. And it's not a Trailhawk. It's just an SRT. And it's not too bad. Okay, it's not unfixable from what I'm seeing now. Fender hood, some front end stuff. This fender looks like it's fine. Oof, airbags everywhere. Oh, shit. And no power. But damn, look how nice the interior is on these Jeeps, man. These Jeeps are extra nice, man. Look at this. Man, I love these Jeeps, man. I love these seats with these SRTs. Man, look at that. It's nice. It's nice. Is this Alcantara up here on top? Oh, it's got an Alcantara ceiling. Oh, it might be too much for me though, the damage. Just because, like, all of the airbag, I don't care about airbags. You know, I'll rip these out and put them back together and just not have no airbag. It's a personal driver for me. I don't care. I know, it's not safe, TK, blah, 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 blah. Look, man, I don't care. They don't do inspections in Florida, all right? So, oh, man. Oh, man, I know how you guys like these bios, man. You biohazard freaks. This one has some blood and stuff over on the airbags in there, but that's not it. It's not really bad. I don't know why they tagged it so heavy with bio, and it's not even that bad. I've seen worse. Next, we got this Chevy Silverado. It's actually pretty nice. 95,000 miles on the clock. I know you guys are saying Chevy Silverado, pretty nice. That's an oxymoron. I mean, this one's in good shape. You know, it's in pretty good shape until we walk over here. You know, then we come over here and it turns into a Jeep. Now, here's the thing. It is at least sealed off with plastic, so major shout out to whoever it was, the tow company, the body shop, whoever did that, okay? Yes, we have airbags that have deployed on the seats, but it doesn't look like, look at the body rails right down here, right? They're not bent in. The pillar doesn't look like it's bent. It looks like it needs some doors, right? It's got a little bit of a bend right here, but it's not horrible. It's a good work truck, you know what I'm saying? You got some damage right here. I don't see anything crazy on the leaf springs or nothing like that, right? I don't see any major bends or anything in the suspension. I just don't. Looks good, right? Tires aren't completely shit. All right, we got some more damage here to the body. I see they're taking out the tail lights and whatnot. It's got a nice bed cover. So it looks like, you know, you could probably throw some doors on this and drive it. I'm willing to bet. Throw some doors on it and drive it. Look. Wonder if that's the tow truck driver's gloves. But look, oh, it's open back there a little bit. But it's not horrible in here. Oh, is that blood on the seat? Do. You know, let me be careful about what I'm touching in here now. If there's blood like that. I don't see, but see, I don't see a lot of damage. Oh, what the hell's up over here? Damn, why'd y'all tear? Oh, the airbags blew over here too, huh? Shit. All right, well, let's see if it starts. Where's the key? All right. Someone got a watch band? Horn a day? Okay, well, I don't know what the hell that's about, but all right. All right, we got power. Service airbag, no shit, huh? Hey, it fired up. It doesn't sound bad either. What are we looking at on gas? Oh, it's got half a tank of gas. AC's working. We're gonna turn that off. We're gonna turn this off. Turn that off. It's running. Let's take a look at the engine. I don't know, this might be my car to get on this week, huh? Or truck. I don't know, man. Doesn't have leather seats. I wish I could find something I could do a swap with my damn truck. With my Tahoe. Alright, what has this got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Don't tell me this is a V6. Is this a 4.3? It is a 4.3. Damn it. It sounded good too. 4.3. That's not bad, I guess, but I don't know, man. I mean, the 4.3 is a good engine. Don't get me wrong. I like the 4.3. I don't know, man. I think you should at least have a 5.3 and something like this. Look at all the extra room you got in the engine bay too. You got room for days in here. Like just room for days and days and days. Water pump looks good. Belt. I had to shut it down to see if it's cracked. Oh look, it's starting to slow down. No leaks really from the gaskets up top. It's in good shape. Mechanically, you know, it looks good. It really does. It really, I bet you with it missing all this shit up here, you know, I bet you with it missing the doors. Oh, is this fender bent? It is. You know what though? I'm wondering if you could pull that out. I'm wondering if you could just bend this back out with like a frame puller or something. Just right here. Just bend that little piece out. Or maybe rubber mallet it out. And see if you could just hang doors on here and see if they close. Because I don't see on the bottom rail, it doesn't look too bad. I think this thing could really be used. I think you could really do something with this. And it's not too, the bed, even the bed, man, look, I'm gonna be honest with you, I wouldn't even give a shit about the bed and fixing anything on the bed. I would literally just throw some doors on it and make it a work truck. I wouldn't even fix the airbags. I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you. I wouldn't do nothing with it. I would use it as a great work truck to haul with and everything else. And this thing is sitting at $300 right now. $300. And I'll tell you why. People are not looking at stuff like this down here, right? Even remember I told you the BMWs are a dime a dozen? Everybody's bidding on the friggin' R8s and the Lambos and the AMGs and stuff down here. You could really get some crazy ass deals down here on cars. And that's no lie. I'm definitely interested in this one. This one is at the top of my damn list. Next on my list is this Jeep. It is a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Now, it looks like a Wrangler Unlimited. It looks like it's got some severe suspension damage. And it smells like wet ass and cigarettes in here, but it's not horrible. I don't know. It smells like wet ass and cigarettes in here, but it's not like horrible ass. I don't know how to explain it to you. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. See what the engine looks like. If I can find the damn hood release. Wow, does this thing... Maybe that's a Dodge thing, man. Where the hell's the hood release? Look here. Pay this city boy no mind, all right? This has a 3.8 liter V6 in it. I don't know if that's one of the good motors from Chrysler or not, to be honest. I know it's not a 3.7, so that's got to be a win, right? Oh, it's got a broken... What the hell is that? Oh, that's not a belt. Wow, that thing's really close to the belt. That's bad design. Woo! Bunch of wires and stuff that are taped up in here. I don't know. I wouldn't really mess with none of this, man. It's got a Bosch battery. I don't know, man. It's got a cold air intake on it with a K&N pipe going into the intake. The thing that concerns me on this, and yes, it didn't have a hood release. It had one of these. Hold on. Ah, see if we can button this up. There we go. It has some pretty significant suspension damage. I mean, unless this is Chrysler's next generation of cab forward design, look at how the wheel is just pushed back. So this one's got some severe damage. Look at how dry rotted these tires are. They're coming apart. I mean, I don't know, man. I was kind of interested in this. This is why you got to come out and look at these. Look at this tire. All tore up, man. It almost looks like they were driving it with the wheel pushed back in the wheel well and just tearing up the tread. But this is why you got to come out here and look at these things, man, because if you don't, you're going to burn yourself. You're going to burn yourself. You know, it looks good in the photos, and then you buy it, and it's come time to pick it up, and it's got more, you know, repairs that need to be done on it than it's worth. Let's go see what else we got. Nothing interests me more than an LS Lexus with Nissan rims. Oh, all right, man. Y'all kids with this racing shit, with these cars, I don't get y'all, man. Why? Why would you put Nissan rims on a LS Lexus? Someone please explain to me how somebody thought that shit was cool. I don't get it. Put some 20s on it, you know? Put some nice 18s. You can put, I don't even know, are these Maxima rims? Like, I don't even know, man. This is, I might even post this clip on Instagram too early just so y'all can see it. I thought, you know, I knew it had some damage to it, and it's a very cheap buy it now price. It does have 235,000 miles on it, but I thought that was hilarious. It is listed as a run and drive, so let's get in it. Doesn't smell like Badusi in here, so that's a good thing, right? Put the key in it. Ooh. Nice. Now that you know what would be funny? No, this would not be funny. But if the airbag deployed and like hit my phone, that would not be funny. All right, let me shut up. All right, let's see if she starts. Here we go. Brake wear, range approximately 55 miles left of brakes.
Fatality.
Oof. Ooh. Did y'all hear that? Another reason why you want to come out here and check these out, because this is listed as a run and drive. Did you hear the rod knock? One more time for y'all that didn't hear it. Of course it won't start now, right? The mirror is still folded in. Almost like it's not getting compression. I can smell fuel too. Yeah, she's done. If you heard that rod knock, that was enough. Now I know why this thing has a $300 buy it now. But even though, all right, so let me explain. People gave me a lot of crap when I bought that Honda Civic that was all burned out. One, it belonged to a family member, so that's why we bought it. because there was some other stuff in the car that we needed to get out that nobody knew was there. 1, 2. Cars like this. Is this a backup key? Haha, look at that. It's got the actual key, an extra key. Cars like this, parts like you'd be surprised. Like just this little piece, right? The shifter, the steering wheel, if it's in good shape. This one's all cracked and ragged out, right? But other parts in this car, like the radio, if it doesn't have a security system, stuff like that, right? This armrest, these seats, if they're not ragged out. If I bought this car for $300 and I paid another $200 in fees, I could easily make my money back just in selling parts. I mean, hey, somebody might want them Nissan Maxima rims. Uh-oh. It started. It started. Oh my God, it started. It was listed as a run and drive. Oh my God. Did you hear the rod knock when it first tried to start though? It's running good. What kind of shit is this? I feel like it's got a little bit of a misfire. Check VSC. Brake wear. Let's see if we can zoom in here. It's running though. Radio works. Temperature's not immediately climbing to the top like it's going to overheat. And now as it's running, it's not even stuttering. It doesn't even feel like it has that miss anymore. Maybe it's just sat so long. All right. So now, because it was joke time. I was over here joking about this car. I was over here talking cash shit. But now I want to see the engine. I want to see what this thing's working with. It's not smoking. This thing runs. I am shocked. When I heard that rattle, I was like, this thing is done. It's got a 4.3 VVT. It's got a brand new, oh, it's got a silver. That's like the cheap battery, but whatever. Okay. She runs quiet though. Listen to it. I don't smell any oil burning. Oh, this might be a steal. Because you know what? If somebody else came out here like me and looked at this and heard how that thing tried to start and then rattled, people are going to be scared to death away from this car. And even with this thing having 200,000 miles on it, that's really nothing for a Toyota engine. And that's what this is. Wow. This thing really runs. I'm really blown away. What do you guys think about this one, man? You know, I was in here joke time talking about cutting this thing up for parts. You know, fix this right here with something cheap from the junkyard. You know, the seats and stuff for here are good. A hood, a headlight, and put it on the road. I mean, obviously get rid of the stupid Nissan Maxima rims, but this thing right here could be a come up. Let's check. You know how you can check? Let's check the, I'm gonna do something. Let's check this. Does the sunroof work? Yes. All the way, no clicks, no nothing. Okay. It works. The sunroof works. That's a win. I like it. I like it. Let's check the air conditioner. The air compressor comes on. Oh, cold air. Oh my God. This might be one, like that Malibu was a hidden gem. I got that for 175 bucks. This thing I probably could pick up for the super low, man. I might not even do the buy it now. I bet you I could just bid on this the way it is, because they're going to see that it's wrecked in the front. Nobody's going to want it. And it's listed as a run. Oh, you know what though? Hold on. Let's see. Reverse. It's in gear. It moves. Drive. It moves. And the brakes work. I'm good, man. Let's turn VSC off. Just check VSC. Look, heated seats. I mean, come on, man. For real? I like you can turn the knobs. This thing, I mean, my hands are kind of dirty now, but you know what? I might be interested in this. I really might. I know y'all laughing. Some of y'all are joking like TK cannot be serious. But I'm dead serious. It is out of gas, though. It is out of gas. And that might be what that knock was about. But look, it's not even getting up to temperature quick. That means, like, it's not racing to get up to temperature, which means I'm not having to worry about this thing overheating. I let this thing run for a few minutes. I mean, what the hell's that noise? Okay, whatever. I'm interested. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, the rims are dumb, for sure. They're really stupid. But it's an LS 430, and it's not a bad body style version of this car. I actually like this. It's a big body. It does have 235,000 miles on it, but I think I could do something with this. You know, I do. I know some of them say, look at that crash bar. It's all pushed in. I could fix that. This is not too expensive to fix. And parts for this car are readily available. So fender, hood, light. I could do this, man. This could be a great little... I might even just keep this shit for me. Randy, do you need some parts? I got another one right here. How you can tell you're in a Copart yard in Miami? Like this. McLaren, Bentley, Mercedes, Maserati, S-Class, Tesla, Rolls-Royce, Porsche. Damn, and you know what? I said all that shit and you couldn't see any of the cars. But look at this Porsche right here. Look at this Rolls right here. I mean, this is what you get out here. These are the Corollas, you know? That Porsche looks like it's a damn fire. Waiting on the gate to open, so I guess while we're waiting, we'll take a walk around. Woo! Engine fire. Look at that. That does not look good. Man, I got hot. It's getting hot in here. Yo, the interior is not bad though. The interior didn't get all roasted, you know? I don't know. Have a good day, boss. Hey, you too. Oh. Well, that's where that electrical engineering degree comes in. Yo, they had trucks couldn't come in, couldn't leave. We're locked in at the damn Copart. I got the camera the wrong way. Man, they had trucks couldn't leave. trucks couldn't come in. I was just stuck here, man. That was crazy. Anyways, yeah, hold on. Ooh. See, this is why I love Boo. Boo be finding me deals, even though my iPhone's cracked. Boo be finding me deals, man. See over here looking on Copart while I'm here right now. Anyways, I'm sorry. That's going to finish today's video. I didn't think I was going to be able to leave here, to be honest. I thought I was going to be stuck here. Whoo! That never gets old. Anyways, if you like the video and you like what I do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel. And let me know what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see a McLaren rebuild? Do you want to see a BMW rebuild? What do you want to see? Because I can get pretty much whatever the hell I want down here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I just wanted to give a major thank you to you guys as we just passed 8,500 subscribers on the way to 9,000. Major salute and thank y'all for all the support. Bro, you instantly lose all coup points.